5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Co-wash.
Hennessy all in my system. Hennessy all in my system. Mix it with the champagne. Mix it with.
Hey, what's up you guys, it's your girl Kat. In today's video I am going to show you how I achieved my wash and goes. A lot of people has been asking me, how do I get my curls like this? What products do I use? And in this video I will tell you all the tips and tricks that I use to get my hair nice, curly, and healthy. So stay tuned and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Now let's get into the video. Alright, so I am starting off with co-wash hair. I use the Aunt Jackie's Moisturizing Co-Wash Cleanser. Then I went in for my conditioner, the Garnier Fructis Colored Shield, because I have red color hair. So now, take this out of its ponytail. Ooh, ooh, yes! So I'm going to start my hair in section because we're going to be putting in leave-in conditioner. So I like to section my hair. It's in the middle part, so one section at a time. It is very easy for me to just get all the products throughout my hair. So my hair is just a little bit dry, so I'm just going to spray my hair with water. Alright, now that is on my hair. Now that is raked in, I am going in with the Lotta Body leave-in conditioner. This is the 5-in-1 treatment. So I'm just going to spray at the ends, then work my way to the roots. Get all in there. Yes. So now I'm just breaking it through like I did the water. Add a little bit on. See, my curls already popping. See that? It's already popping, and we just put leave-in conditioner. Alright, so I'm going to put that to the side, and we're going to do the same thing we did to this side. So spring is here, and finally I think winter is over. I know some parts of the world have gotten snow, and really though, I should put my phone on silent. But yeah, some world got some snow and I'm just not here for it, you know. My hair said she wants to be free, get some sun, you feel me? So even though, you know, summer is slowly approaching, we still need to protect our curls, our hair, especially mine since it is color. I mean, red is not so much of harsh on the hair, but like the blonder colors and stuff, but still I need to protect my hair. So we got that right on through. So now I am going to use the SheaMoisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Everybody knows about this curl enhancing smoothie. This is about the only product I really used in the SheaMoisture collection. I tried some of their other stuff, but this stuff. Now my hair has changed a little bit. It has gotten, the curls gotten a little bit looser, way much softer. It's not as coarse as it used to be. And when I used this product, I mean, it moisturized, but it just didn't, you know, give me the life that I needed. But this right here, and this current hair right now, magic. Magic. I really love this. Like, now that my hair has changed a little bit, this stuff is, so I'm just gonna take a dollop, rub it in my hand, and just start from the ends and just work my way up to the hair. Make sure you get them edges, smooth out them edges, you feel me? But I think the reason my hair changed because I was wearing box braids for like maybe almost 2 months, and as you can see, my hair has grown. And I think sometimes when your hair grows, the curl changes. And I think that's what happened to me. So I mean, I'm not upset, you know. I do of course miss my super coily curls, but as of right now, I feel like it is more manageable. So I'm not complaining, but you know, throughout my natural hair journey, my hair has changed so much. I don't know what it's gonna do next. So I just go with the flow. So I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and kind of just detangle the ends. Make sure all the products that we put in our hair has, you know, been distributed properly. So start from the bottom. And I'm going to add a little bit more water, you know. Okay, so now that we put the curl enhancing smoothie on, we are going to go in with the Auntie Jackie's grapeseed oil and avocado oil. This stuff is a miracle. Like, Auntie Jackie's, like, I have at least like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 10 products of hers. Oils, flaxseed gels, masks, everything. I really love Auntie Jackie's you know, collection. Like, I never heard of her, but like last year I'm in a beauty supply, grab oil, and I'm like, ooh, this oil smells good. It's good for my hair. And me and my sister was talking, and she like, yeah, have you tried Auntie Jackie? I'm like, Auntie Jackie, who is that? She like, you got one of their oils. I was like, oh, I didn't know. So I grabbed some products, and trust, curls been popping ever since. So I just rake that through my hair. Use the prayer hands, you know, distribute that throughout the hair, because we need to lock in, you know, that moisture. Make sure you get everything. And we almost done. Yes. Oops. So now I am going in with the Taliah Waajid curl, what is the curly curl cream. Now this is super thick. So what I do is I only get a little bit of this curly cream, get a little bit of water and put it in my palm of my hand, mix it in, cause honey, she's thick, and this really gets my curls to be super popping. Cause when we wear wash and goes, we need our curls to pop. So just rake that through the bottom, kind of bunch it up. And voila, one side down, the other two. Alright, so as you can see, one side is super curly, the other side not so much. And I've been I've been struggling with this throughout my natural journey. It's just this one particular side that will not curl for anything, but it's been curling. Let me grab a strand or two. Is it that one? Okay, here it is. So as you can see, it's like a one chunk of a section that will not curl for real. But here it is. So yeah, it's literally like a slight curl, but it's not, you know, like coily or anything. It's just a slight curl. And I have like a birthmark in my hair on that particular section where the curls are not curling for real. So I think that is one of the reasons. And also I think I just have a wide selection of different type of curls. So that's what I've been dealing with. But as of recently, I felt confident in just wearing my hair in this wash and go state, because I've been wanting to do this style for an eternity, but I never could really achieve it because one side was not, you know, curling up like the other side, and I thought that would not look right. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how because I don't know if it's just me or everyone has this problem, or a few select of us have this problem, but I'm gonna show you guys how I get it to make it look even. So yes, so I'm going to do what I did for the rest from the other side of the hair. Spritz my hair with a little bit of water. Y'all see what I be talking about? Look. Alright, now I could just let this air dry, but instead of doing that, I am going to take my diffuser. This is just a charm because it gets your hair nice and dry, but it also stops the frizzing, so you can wear your hair longer, like a week or so. It just depends on, you know, how you take care of your hair, but this is amazing. So this is how I get one side to be sort of kind of even. I use this diffuser, so I put this diffuser on low, then I put it on cool. The reason to put it on cool is because we don't want all the moisturizing that we put into our hair to just be released in the air and our hair still looks dry and just no life in the hair. So we need to put the blow dryer on cool, so that way the hair can be nice and moisturized and everything will stay intact. So I will be back with my even hair. All right, so I am back. I just diffused my hair. As you can see, my hair is a little bit, you know, even. But basically what I did was I just put the part that's not really curly and try to bunch it up in this diffuser part, and just let it sit there, let it dry a little bit. And then on this side, since this side really shrinks a lot, I stretched it and just held it like that, and then, you know, so it is somewhat even. It's still a little bit wet, so I'll probably be back in like an hour or two, but you know, it's just a nice little edit. Alright you guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you really took away a lot of tips and tricks that I taught you guys. And also make sure you guys try out the Auntie Jackie line. I really love the oils and also the co-washing cleanser, especially for those who stop shampooing their hair. This will be perfect, a perfect solution to just co-wash your hair. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.